So I went out to the bushes today to get some sticks for my reptile tank, but I got to disinfect them just in case there's any bacteria or anything on them that we don't want in the tank. So I preheat the oven to 350. I'm going to throw them in the oven. I'm going to bake them for 30 minutes. But I'll check on it every 5 minutes. We don't want no fire. But now I'm going to turn down the temperature to 250. We also went out and got some moss we're going to put in there. So I'm going to rinse that out as well. When the sticks are baking, this will be rinsing. Get any bugs or any critters that we don't want in our tank out of there as well. Alright, we'll come back. I'll check on my sticks in 5 minutes until my half hour is up. Alright, see you soon. Alright, 5 minutes is up. Let's take a quick look. No fires, we're good. And let's rinse out the moss. Give it a fresh bath. As you can see how dirty the water is. Fill it up with some clean water to keep that soaking. Alright, check back in 5 minutes. Still all good, no fires. All good. Still no fires. It's been about 15 minutes. 15 more minutes to go. Alright, thanks. 5 more minutes. Everything's good. No smoke. No fire. The moss is still soaking. Getting a lot cleaner though, but I'm dumping it all out outside instead of the sink now. Still all good. No fires. I'm going to turn the heat back up now from the 250 to 350 for the last 10-minute bake. Alright, thanks. Bye. It's been 30 minutes. I'll do another 10 minutes. That way there it's over, just in case. Alright. Till 10 minutes. Alright, let's turn the oven off and pull out the sticks. See what they look like. There we go, they've been baked for 40 minutes now. And the moss has been still soaking. I keep rinsing the water out, cleaning it out. So stay tuned for the update when we put the tank all together. If you like, subscribe and make a comment. Thank you very much.